You speak English, but your sound basic or fluent. Let's upgrade. One sentence in few seconds. First basic level. I am very happy. હું ખૂબ જ ખુશ છું. Most learners stop here. Now better level. I am really happy today. આજે હું ખરેખર ખુશ છું. Add feeling words to become better. Now fluent level. I am absolutely delighted today. આજે હું ખૂબ જ આનંદિત છું. Remove very and use powerful words. Fluent English is not about grammar only. It's about word change. Fluency એટલે powerful word choice કરવી. Daily one sentence practice કરો like this and your English will transform. Save for practice. દરરોજ one sentence upgrade કરો. Confidence automatic boost થશે. See you soon in the next reel.